it's me, Miss Ron here today. We're gonna read a book together. Okay? So, do you have your pencil with you? Do you have your paper with you? And some color. We can read together, we can write together, and we can draw and color. Okay? So, our book today is Animal Sounds. Okay, ready? Animal sounds. Animal sounds. Written by Ned Jensen. Look at this. What do you think? A dog. And dogs bark, bark, go, bark. Okay, now your turn to read. Dogs bark, dogs bark. Con chó thì nó làm gì? Nó sủa. Ok, bark. Cat meow, meow. Okay, the cat say meow. Cats meow. Cows say moo. Sound moo. Cows say moo. Okay, that's it. Lovely and easy book. Cows moo. And look at a pig here. A pig say oink, 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 oink. Okay, your turn to say pigs. Pigs say oink, oink, oink. Yes, oink. Okay. Bird. Birds. And you say bird. Chirp, 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 chirp. Okay. And you say birds. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Okay. Ducks say quack, quack, quack. Your turn to say duck, quack, quack. And snakes, his. Snakes say his. Your turn to say snakes, his. And bees, buzz. Can you say z sound? Bees buzz. Bees buzz. Lions roar. Lion roar. Dogs snore. Okay, you can just say dogs snore. Okay, each time you can make something by yourself. Okay, animal sound. Okay, sound. How can they sound? Now, a dog can. What can a dog say? Dog. Look at the dog here. Dog can bark. Bark. A dog can bark. And now, a cat. A cat can say meow. And how about a cow? A cow say moo. And a pig can say oink. And look at the lion. Okay, Miss Lon draw the funny lion. Okay, the lion. Can you see the lion? Yeah, The lion, 2 little eyes, 1 nose and mouth. A lion say roar, can roar. And look at the bird here. The bird, I can make a pig. Bird here and the eyes here. A bird can chop, chop, chop. And daddy, snore, snore. And duck say quack, quack. And look at the snake here. I make another snake here. A snake can hiss, hiss, hiss. Hiss. And bees can buzz, bee. Okay? So sometimes we need a verb, action verb, but we don't know how to use the verb for the animal. So it's time for us to learn with verb. You cannot say bird can talk, but use the word chop. It's better. And sometimes we can use the word roar and bark is some different verb. Okay? It's time to say goodbye to all of you. See you next time.